My dog is very excited. I know. Look at all the rain we got. I think I cleared up enough space so I can make a video here. Trying to free up some space. Found a few cool things today. My fish is doing great. Alright, these are my purple bamboos. The only seeds that I ever really grew from eBay. And I thought they were like 12, 15 footers. I'm not really sure. But I was looking at them today. And of course we've had about 5 or 6 inches of rain, as I just showed. Got this great big new shoot. It's like over an inch diameter. So that's doing great. Then I got these ones out in the back lot, which I transplanted this one about a month ago, and it's been kind of stressed a little bit. But all this rain obviously is going to help it. And then over here, I can see that little spike coming up. That's about a 20 footer right now. And then this bunch right here, if we look down, I see a big bump in the ground right there. So that's just poking out of the ground today, June 7th. I've been waiting for this one to do something. I've been watering it for a while. And then here's this new spike. This is about, a month old or so. And I had to keep watering it to keep it going. Don't see anything over here on this one yet. Got to pull more of these vines out of here. Come on. And then I think I showed this yesterday on D-Day, June 6th. These started out as pencil sized, not even knee high 2 years ago. And with all the rain, look at that. It's like over 2 inch diameter right there. Probably like 2.5 inch diameter. Over a foot tall, just coming out of the ground. I haven't seen anything coming up over here. Okay, I got a little bit of video on there. Usually my phone's shutting off by now. I tried to free up some space. This is my yellow flower ground cover. If anybody knows what that is, please let me know. But I'm planting that around here to displace some of the cockle burrs. These are cockle burrs here. They gotta go. Got a whole bunch more there. I got another pile here I'm getting ready to burn. Got a few lemon grasses going in here. Got about 5 lemongrass in there, a couple sunflowers, and a bit of that yellow viney ground cover stuff. And I'll probably put a hole in and plant big bamboo right there. Sunflowers looking awesome. Got that great big one over there in the back. Just to give you an idea how much rain we have got, this tub was sitting here for the weekend, and it's probably got about 7 inches of rain in there. And it's a pretty straight-sided tub, so yeah, we got a lot of rain. Now my dog took off somewhere. Yeah, here she is going down the road. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah, well, take your time. Get home. Get. Oh, something came in the mail for me, and it's heavy. I think I know what it is. It just came in, my golf ball launcher. Gotta get some, gotta get a wrench and put it on there.